What's up guys, this is Fabio here. There have been lots of different rumors about the new AirPods, new models, new colors available, but actually Apple announced 2 days ago the AirPods Pro, and guess what? I got them here. So let's open them. So the package is actually the usual white package that we find on Apple products. I was actually expecting a black box since we are talking about AirPods Pro. On the bottom you find the serial number, on the side you get the logos, and on the top you get AirPods Pro with wireless charger, because this is the only available version. So let's open them. So removing the film is actually the best part of every unboxing, and with this new product from Apple is the same satisfying experience, I will say, not different. So let's remove it, let's put it on the side, and let's open the box. So here we go. The first thing we see is actually the manual. So let's grab them. It's designed by Apple in California. Let's see if there are stickers. I think in this version there are no stickers, and there aren't actually. So that's cool. Let's put them on the side. And these are the new AirPods Pro. So talking about the design, the little case is more a rectangular form instead of the previous version where it was a square. Still white, no other colors are available. It looks clean, it looks very minimal. I'm actually wondering if it's gonna look this clean after 6 months of using them. So let's open the case. And they actually look very nice and very small. There are two main reasons why I've never been enthusiastic about the previous generation of AirPods. The first reason is the fact that they were keeping on falling from my ears all the time. The smooth plastic was not having any friction, so it was impossible to keep them in. And the second reason is the fact that while listening to some music, there was no isolation from the world around me, so I could hear all the noise. These new AirPods have the solution to both issues. The buds have now a smaller rubber tip that will help to get the perfect seal. Apple introduced actually a way to test and potentially improve the fit. From iOS 13.2, whenever you will connect the AirPods Pro, you will get some new features on the settings. There is now a nice ear tip fit test. The test itself will run a small sound sample. The internal microphone will capture the sound inside the ear canal and calculate if there is a good seal, or you might need to change the rubber tips, which are also provided inside the box. And talking about the box, let's see what's still inside it. We have the new charging cable, which is a USB-C to Lightning, the usual 1 meter cable. Nothing fancy, but I can actually use my MacBook Pro to charge them. And then you get the rubber tips I was talking about before. These are very cool, and it's a very soft rubber which does not create any issues in case you have sensitive skin. There are different sizes included, and Apple says there might be the possibility that you might need different sizes for each ear, and it's absolutely normal. The best thing to do is actually to run their test and see the results. AirPods Pro have the H1 chip for fast and easy setup. But let's talk now about the main feature of these Pro headphones, the active noise cancellation. There is an external microphone which detects all the external sounds and subtracts those sound waves from the music you are listening to. The feeling that you will get is a huge reduction of all the external sounds, and to be specific, these little buds here do that 200 times every second. Apple also designed this vent system to avoid feeling any build-up of pressure inside your ears. In the case you are commuting, you would like to hear the next bus stop, you would like to be more aware of the environment that surrounds you, you may want to use the new transparency mode that you can easily activate squeezing the force sensor on the lower part of the AirPod, or from the settings you can actually switch to transparency mode and you will start hearing every other sound around you amplified. And that's a really great feature. If we want to compare the AirPods Pro with the Powerbeats Pro, we actually notice a big difference in size first of all. The Powerbeats Pro are way bigger, I will say double the size, and way heavier. I know lots of people they use the AirPods at the gym. For those people there are some great news, as the new AirPods Pro are actually now water and sweat resistant. I personally use the Powerbeats Pro at the gym because they have some great audio and because they have the little hook that goes behind your ears. It feels more secure to me, but I'm actually curious to test the new buds and see how it goes. In terms of battery, I got 5 hours with noise cancelling on, and actually it's a bit more of what Apple says. And the great thing is the fact that with 5 minutes of charging, you get 1 hour of listening time. Last but not least, the price. The full package comes with a price tag of £249 in UK or $250 in US, which is not cheap at all and makes this specific product one of the most expensive of its own category. Even though there are earbuds with better specs or even better prices, I believe these AirPods Pro will have a huge success. They have a really nice design, all the new features are not revolutionary, but they work incredibly well, and the convenience of using them inside the Apple ecosystem makes them really attractive for whoever uses an iPhone and not only. I hope you find this video useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.